Teaching is a very great experience because it is a personal approach to get people to understand something. And when they enter a classroom, they know that there's something they do not know and that they might have a moment of aha when they're at work and when they encounter a problem that they previously couldn't solve. I am Joost. I am a technical trainer here at Rademaker and I provide technical training sessions to colleagues and customers. My most challenging part of my job is getting all the information together so that we can offer it to the people following our courses, be it customers or be it colleagues, and make sure that everyone understands it. I am responsible for organizing that information so that it's understandable. I check language that we use, comply with what we want to offer our customers and our colleagues, and that is what I do. We introduced e-learning to reach customers where we traditionally would not provide training. And that might have to do with a language barrier. Our e-learning platform offers modules in the native language for our customer, and they can do it from their laptop and whenever they want to do that module. That gives them a lot of flexibility, and it is also for us a way to invest in those long-term partnerships that we have with our customers. Working for Rademaker is freedom for me because I get all the space and all the time to invest in myself, invest in my work, but also have a lot of opportunities to research the knowledge that I need for my job. I have so much people willing to help, and I have a company that wants to invest in me because I invest in my work, and that's a great feeling. It's very familiar.